Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're opening up Confetti Collection. So let's get in and let's get into the new box. Okay guys, welcome back. So like I said, we're opening up Confetti Collection. This is the first time it's showing up on our channel. The beauty of this one is it's a bi-monthly subscription. So if you think about it, it's really like $10 a month. So this is $19.99 every 2 months. And I'll put their information in the description box below so you can check that out for yourself. I like this because you get like unique things that you can't really go out there and buy. They're super random, or you can use these as nice gifts for other people. So I know that the box for them has changed. So this is actually how it comes in your mailer, in your mailbox or your packages, wherever you get your mail from. That's what it looks like there. So we're just gonna check it out and see what's inside. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and everything is, I guess, under this plastic. So let's see what is in the box. Okay, so this is cool. They actually wrapped everything so it's nice and fluffy. And I'm actually gonna show you because I saw another YouTuber mention this. You see all those fluffy things in there. You can actually save those and use them for gifts for other people. I don't know if it shows in the camera, but these little, I don't know what you call them, these little fillers, they're actually iridescent. So they're like, I know it doesn't show off good in the camera, but you can use that in a gift bag. So that's just one idea for you. And if you're watching all those Bath and Body hauls that I'm actually doing, you can use those if you're giving those out as gifts. So there you go. That saves you some money from having to go to the store and get those things. So if you look here, everything is wrapped in this tissue paper, and then it says Confetti Collection there. So we are going to carefully take this out and see what is inside. And I said carefully, and yet I still broke the tissue. So disregard. Okay, so my thing says, ooh, if I can take it apart. So it says Confetti Collection Surprise. It says, which box did you get? Something juicy or wish upon a star? So it says in your box you'll find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last minute gift and use the gift bag, the shred, and share with a friend. Like I said, you guys can use that, the shred, I guess they said it better. And they just mentioned, you know, to hashtag them, and this is what it looks like there, so that you can possibly win. They love to see your unboxings, and to hashtag collection, Confetti Collection box is what it says there. Okay, so let us take a look and see. So this is everything that is basically in the package here. So I don't know even where to start. So let me open this up and see what we can find inside. Okay, so I'm gonna put this actually back in the box so that we can do this later. Maybe over there. Okay, so the very first thing I see here is actually a pouch. It says a pouch with tassel. So that is here. And it has, if you look there, it has like, I don't know if it says anything. It just says the initials of the company. So C.R. Gibson. So this is a pouch from C.R. Gibson. And it's, you see that it's like teal inside, and this, you can basically put anything like your pencils, maybe bookmarks, your readers. You can put anything in here. So this is cute. All right, so the next item we have here, and I'm gonna assume that this is Wish Upon a Star. The theme is Wish Upon a Star for me, because everything has a star. So that's cute. All right, so the next thing we have here is a luggage tag, and this is cute. So it says vacation calories don't count. So you see that there, and that's cute. I don't see any prices, so I don't have prices for you, but this is really cute. So I like that. All right, so that's another thing. And then the next item we have here, this says cord keepers. So that is what that looks like there. And oh, so you keep your cords inside here. And this box I actually got from my daughter, and I think she's gonna love everything in here. So I there's no sharing with her. So it shows you what it looks like here as far as the cord keeper. So that's cute. And that's the back. So I'm assuming you put that in between there, but this is really, really cute. These are nice gifts if you had to give someone some stuff. All right, and then the next thing we have here, it says luck to bring to bring you good luck is what that says here. What is this? It doesn't tell me what it says, but I guess it's a pin. And that looks like a horseshoe. So that's that. And then the next item we have here is, it says X and O paper goods. This is a 10 shape paper clips. So these are star paper clips. So those are cute. We don't have any paper clips in the house, so we will definitely get use out of that. And then this says it's a keychain. So these are tassel keychains. So those are actually cute. This is a cute gift, I swear. She's gonna grab everything from me. All right, I can already see it. Then there's a gift bag here and it says yay. And it looks like there is confetti inside. So I'm not gonna open it up because I don't want it to, oh, it's actually not inside. It's actually inside the bag. So that is cute. See that there? And then the back says yay too. Okay, and then the next item we have here is, this looks like just a little notebook, and it looks like there's confetti inside also. So this is cute, a little notepad and then the tassel again. And then the last but not least, this is a super cute gift, I swear. And then this says shine bright, and then that's what that looks like there. And then what are these? I think these are socks actually. Yeah, they have to be socks. Okay, so these are socks. These are cute. Okay, so let's do a recap of everything just so we can see what came inside the package. So the very first item I have here, which I can't even get back in the box. Okay, so we have the socks. All right, let me do a recap real quick. So we have the socks, and then we have the gift bag if you were giving this away as a gift. We have our little notebook. Let me put the sock in here just so you guys can see that. We have socks, and then we have a keychain tassel. We have that. And we have the pouch, we also have that. And we have our star paper clips, we have that. Told you guys, this is a lot. And then a luggage tag, a vacation luggage tag, we have that. We have our horseshoe pin, we have that, which my stuff is falling out, there's so many things. And then we have, last but not least, we have our cord keeper. So what did you guys think of this one? I love it. If I had to give that out as gifts, or I would definitely keep all of the things in here, but I already promised my daughter she can have the things in here. So I think this one is definitely a good one, because think about it, if you're getting this every other month, that gives you opportunity to just get new gifts, or just keep them for yourself if you want to be greedy like me, because I definitely would. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of Confetti box, the Confetti collection. I love it. I definitely think it's worth it, and I will put their information in the description box below so you guys can check it out and see for yourself if it's worth it. You guys can subscribe. You could always skip them. I saw that on their website. So with that being said, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you are subscribed, because we have a ton of video hauls that have been showing up on the channel, so you don't want to miss another one. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.